let the games begin. This is the last day, last 24 hours. Last 24 hours before I turn 28 on the clock. So 1 today, 2 yesterday, January 26, 2018. My daughter's still watching Disney. But I plan to level up. Alright, so my daughter's very upset, so we end up staying a little over. She's not excited. That's so fake energy. So basically we end up staying a little over. I told her to come on. She didn't want to come. She wanted to keep watching Disney. Walked up front, said I'm waiting on her. A customer pulled up. The customer, I didn't get a chance to get them, but basically so, actually, these are all for me. This is our buyer's guide. This is on every used car window. This is on every used car window in America. And it's just stating again that it's sold as is. And this is just explaining to you what as is means. See the signature here from the ring.
You may invade it.
Yeah, you can. And then the privacy policy. This is stating that we will not share your information with anyone else. We keep it all in-house under Bob Moore's umbrella. I just need a signature here from you, Miranda, and shows you a sign there for me. And date it, please. What do you think about that purple helmet?
Oh man, it's pretty nice. It ain't my style though.
Yeah, the purple is
No,
not.
just
The Challenger
like
in
classic
general.
cars. I like Cadillacs
The
and
real deal.
BMWs and stuff like that.
You got it, I got it. New?
Yeah, like new BMWs or Mercedes or Cadillacs.
I'm with you.
I think they're nice, man.
I didn't have one of those.
Roll around in style, dress nice all the time.
I'm with you. I see.
Whoever can afford that, I promise you, dresses just as nice.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right.
BMW don't got crap on that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Amazing.
It's like 80. What, how much does it cost new?
If you could, new, yeah, about 80.
Yeah, about 80 grand.
If you would, just 2 references, and it can be anyone.
Personal references, boys.
And that's just in case Charles tries to run away with the car and cancel his, auto pay.
So is this references for me or for him?
For both of you, know. So it's just references for the bank.
So when we don't pay, they can call them and bug them.
Trace.
Like your mom did for that one.
Put my mom
Put your
down.
mom down. And I'll put, oh, that's great.
No.
Yeah. They don't call.
I'm gonna
They
put
do
a
not
Walmart
call
manager.
unless it goes south.
Yeah.
And it won't go south. You all else. Do you have
Let me fill it
your
out.
insurance card with your current insurance card? Did I get that the other night?
No.
I did. Uh-oh.
Don't
Can
uh-oh.
you? Do you have it on email?
I don't think I do. She's closed during the weekend. I could have gone on.
They have a 1-800 number. It was State Farm, right?
In shelter.
Shelter. Okay.
I had one at the house. She had told me.
No worries. All you do and it's updated?
I had one for a power for my other truck. I mean, I got them at the house somewhere. You know,
No
they mail me probably 10 times a month.
No worries. Literally, you can put anywhere. No, they do not call.
You go down there.
Oh my god. Seriously?
What's your address? Relationship. Mother.
No.
Who shall be next?
Dude.
Did you put him on it?
Yeah.
It is not a credit check. It's literally something they just fill in a slot on.
Where Ingram?
What? She did it to us.
You all are funny.
What's her address?
I don't know.
IDK.
6.
I just put IDK.
IDK. I don't know. No, just don't put it.
Oh,
in.
okay.
You're fine. You're fine. No worries. No worries, Charles.
What's it, 918?
853. 483.
I thought the credit check would be that references.
The what? Credit check? No.
No, that'll be no.
That don't mean that. Alright. The IDK does not work here, but
Oh, it doesn't. You don't. That's madness. You know that?
No worries.
And like BFE.
Charles, thanks. You are awesome.
I'm walking out of here. You're probably gonna say something about me.
No, I'm not that. Alright, you know, I enjoyed you. I enjoyed you all service. I don't disappear after the sale either. So you'll know that's not true when I call you on Monday and say, hey, how's it going? How's it going at work,
I
man?
got broke on the side. Goddamn.
Thankfully, I haven't got one of these calls. All right, y'all. We're waiting around.
You probably change your number every day, so I mean.
No, I wouldn't do that. I've heard of people doing that. We have a seat in the lounge. A little more comfortable chairs over there. And that's how it works. Happy birthday. Appreciate it. Happy birthday! Looks great. Looks great. Dang it. Couldn't get the video, but we are rocking and rolling. Let the games begin. Oh, whoa! She missed it. Whoa! Let's get this. Whoa! Get that. Aim up, aim up. Get the score. Now get me. Move on that. Huh?
He beat you still.
Yeah, calm down. I know how you feel right now. Kind of like when KD got that championship.
He beat you.
No. Huh?
Ah.
Yes.
About
Look at that.
About one.
I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve it, baby.
All you gotta do is hit
I
that one.
deserve it. Look. This is my game, baby. Game over, baby. Thank y'all for watching.